Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Okay, now here we are, Microsoft Innovative Educator Expert 2024 nomination. Now how to submit MIE Expert self-nomination tutorial part 2. Okay, I have completed all my 4 courses, prerequisite courses. Now I'm going to show you that. So let's go back over here. Here is learn.microsoft.com and you will enter this, and after signing in your email address, your official email address, this one, look here, my email address is over here. Then you need to click on profile and make sure that you have completed all those 4 courses. How you will check that? It's very easy process. You need to do what? Click on achievements, and in achievement I'm going to directly click here, top left corner learn.com, top left corner learn, and then you just need to paste over here the courses. So I have these courses over here. These, first of all, I have to check my prerequisite courses that I have done earlier. So these are my 4 prerequisite courses. So let's check that. Click here learn.microsoft.com, and after that, look here, I have already checked that. Okay, I have completed this. How to find this? Very easy process. On top left corner, when you will access this interface, just click on top left corner learn, and then you just need to paste all those 4 courses. So I have over here, I have checked this. Now I'm going to check this one, Microsoft Teams for any learning environment. Just copy this and paste it over here. Just paste here, check, search. Now after that, you need to click here Microsoft any learning environment, Teams. Just click here for verification purpose, and yes, look here, I have completed these all modules. Look here, so I have completed 2. Now let's check the third one. So third one is over here, 21st century learning design. Copy this, quickly paste it over here. I want to save your time. Paste here, search, and then let's check that. This one, first one, 21st century learning design. So get started with self. This one, look here, it's completed. Status is completed over here. Fine. So now I'm going to check the another one. So here, now I'm going to click here, browse our courses. So now the last one, AI for educators. Just copy this. You will find all these in video description. Please check that. Now again, put in a search bar, and now search. Now look here, the AI for educators is completed. So till here I have completed all my 4 courses, prerequisite courses. Now moving towards edunominate.microsoft.com, edunominate.microsoft.com. Open a browser, and now let's take a start. I have already logged in over here. I have done in my first tutorial, I have created my account using new to our program. I'm not new to the program, but we all have to complete this process. All users must sign up. All users, if you are new or not new, you are going for renewal, you have to go through this process. Okay, all users must sign up for an account to get started. This includes 2023-24 community members and new users. Okay, now I'm going to click here, the second part, second phase started from here. So here you will enter your email and the password that you have set in the previous video using this one, new to our program, and you click here. You will create your email and your password, confirm password. Then when you click here, I have explained each and everything in my previous tutorial. Now I'm going ahead. Let's go back. So just click here, just hyperlink. It will redirect me over here. Now my email is there, my password is there. I'm going to just click on sign in. No need to sign up over here. Okay, Just click on sign in. Okay, after that we will get all these information over here, just like look here, Microsoft Education Program 2024-25. my ID is here, name is over here, email, and if you need suppose email to educators@microsoft.com with all these details if you need help. Next, look here, completed program, renewal of MIE Expert 2023-24. I have already done, finished, excellent, I like that. Okay, available programs are renew your status as a MIE Expert. You were an MIE in 2023-24. Yes, unfinished. Okay, now let's go back. Keep moving forward. Okay, now before you check the following questions. I have done all these. I've done all these 4. Okay, now learning path, I have done this as well. Okay, now have you checked your achievement URL in accessible via private window? I have checked that. Okay, now have you downloaded a copy of this document? Which document? Let's check that. Yes. So these are all the instructions written where you need to download and follow these instructions as it is. This is for the long questions. Okay, preliminary questions, long questions. Okay, long answer questions are Microsoft Innovative Educator Expert for renewal. I have already saved all the answers over here. Look here, in Word document I'm using Microsoft product and it will save automatically. Look here, it's on OneDrive, so my all data is over here. Look here, all answers are here. Okay, so now I'm going to do what I will go back and I will start to the survey. Yesterday I have done a lot of work, but due to some reason I'm not able to complete this video. Now moving towards currently on step number 4, so continue. Okay, now long answer questions I were doing yesterday. So how did you share your learning with educators and school leaders this past year? Okay, then you have to write the answer. Professional development, spoke at conference, published a podcast. Okay, then provide details what you shared and that impact on the educators and the leaders. So I have written my answers over here. 2000 symbols left. Okay, so I have pasted my answer. How did you share your learning? I have already pasted my answer over here. Just copy paste this. These are my answers. Okay, I have pasted over here. I'm just telling you that. Okay, what Microsoft tool do you use to collaborate with your colleagues? Yes, colleagues and the learners. Different tools I can use because we are Microsoft schools and we are using PowerPoint, Excel. We have even used my MS Form for collecting data, for survey purpose, immersive reader, blah blah blah. Lot of OneDrive, Outlook for communication purpose. Okay, we have used a lot of data. You need to give a description or describe what value these tools add to you and your colleagues learner. Okay, then you need to write this answer over here. So I have written the answer. So with colleagues learner, what value these I have already added here as a Microsoft Educator Expert. You can even change, make correction over here. Both teacher and learner. MS Teams I have used for managing system. MS Word is for giving assignment to student. Submit assignments. Okay, fine, you will get the idea from here. Okay, don't copy as it is. Okay, now next. Okay, my colleagues see me as a go-to person. Okay, fine. And which Microsoft tool or education topic? You can just mention over here. My colleagues see me as a go-to person, so I have already mentioned here. So this answer is somewhere over here. These are different links, artifacts links that I have added over here. So these are different links. Technology describe the learning artifacts. Okay, MIE Expert trainer evidence, OneDrive evidences, Sway. What else I have here? Examples, third question. My colleague, good. Okay, this one. I used to guide and support blah blah blah. So I have copied this till here. Okay. In phase 2 I have conducted blah 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 story that how you supported. Okay, So it's mentioned over here, so let me go back and check that. Here, yes, I have mentioned I've trained my colleagues, blah blah blah. Yes, I have shared my story as well. Okay, then describe how you give back to your MIE Expert during this past year. Then you have to write over here, give back MIE Expert community in this program. So I have mentioned your story, I pasted there. Okay, and then how you give back to MIE Expert program during this past year. MIE Expert and computing program, as compared to we have conducted a series of coordination meetings online, on-site with my colleagues and subject leaders, coordinators, and all that stuff you need to add over here. And then after using Quillboard, rephrase all these sentences and then paste it over here. Now let's go back. Okay, share a personal example of how you used generative AI to help you in your work. Okay, what did you do and how did it help you? And generative AI, you can find the answer related to this, and then you need to add over here and then submit, save and submit, then move towards the next tool, generative AI. Share your personal experience over here. Data saved successfully. For creating assignments, for creating different quizzes, generative AI will help you to manage all the resources along with the answer key. I have used ChatGPT as well and Copilot, so you can write your story over here. Okay, and then click on save and submit and then move towards the next phase. Now I'm going to write this answer and then I will get back to you. Okay. Right now I'm going to stop this. Okay, you look here. Finally, I have written the last question answer over here. Share your personal example how you use generative AI to help you in your work. So I have written this answer over here using Microsoft Word online. It's already saved on my cloud. Okay, so let me update this as well. So let me make this 2024 25. So please save that. Okay, now let's get back to work. I have pasted my answer over here. Now please submit. So answers are submit now save and now submit. Okay, once you submit, your nomination will not be able to edit or resubmit. Okay, fine, let's go, let's see. Okay, go ahead. You are not supposed to do like that. Okay, your application is still under review, please wait. Thank you for submitting nomination to renew yourself as Microsoft Innovative Educator Expert 2024-25. We will email with the result of your renewal application in the week beginning September 9, 2024. Please mark the email edu and save sender to ensure that to receive future messages. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. This is for renewal process. Okay, what if those the other teachers are doing first time? So I have to log in from their ID and check that. Okay, what kind of stuff we have over there. Okay, thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.